Okay, so in the last segment I showed you how you can create folders to categorize and put all of your applications together so that it's easy and useful for you to find. So in this case, if I go to my second page, here you can see I have photography, I have ed science, I've got ed tech and ed math. But if you're like me, sometimes you might forget where you might put applications. So the trick I want to show you is how you can quickly find and launch applications. So if you go back to the landing page, and if you look right across the bottom, in this case right above the Twitter and the iBooks icon, you'll see a little white dot which indicates what page you're on. And if you're here, if you swipe once to the right, it brings up the search feature. Now searching inside of here will not only search for applications, it could also search for emails, it could search for iMessages, it could search for calendar events, and as you can see here, you can also search for the web and search on Wikipedia as well. But what I like to do a lot of times is if I know I've purchased an app, but I don't remember where I put it, what I can do is search here and then just use this as an app launcher. And then what it does in this case, it brings up my Dropbox file, and now I can navigate through all of my Dropbox options and see all the information that's inside of my Dropbox. Now under settings, what you can do is if you go into general and you click on this middle option here which says spotlight search, what you can do is you can categorize the different elements that you want to come up in spotlight search. So in this case you can see I have applications, I have mail, I've got reminders, and I've got messages coming up. So if I wanted my mail to appear first, all I have to do is just click and drag my mail, and so all of my search results would show up with mail on top, then applications, and I can turn them on or off just by clicking on the different elements as well. So now I'm turning on video, audio, and contacts. So that's just kind of a way you can organize the search feature that is built inside of the operating system. Now, one new feature you have inside of iOS 6 with the new iPad is the ability to use Siri to launch applications. So if you hold down the home button, Siri will come up, launch Dropbox. And now I don't have to type anything or search for anything to launch applications that I am looking for.